Hey, little artists! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're going to draw a magnificent bird, a rainbow peacock.
Hello, friends. I'm ready to shine.
Let's start with a nice and round head. Now, let's add bright and shiny eyes.
I need that to spot yummy food.
Add a strong pointed beak. Whoa! Let's give a crown-like crest.
To look so royal.
Hey! Draw a long and graceful neck.
My long neck helps me reach the ground to eat.
Haha! Add strong legs and claws.
Yes, they help me walk and dance.
Now comes the most exciting part, kids. Draw beautiful tail feathers.
Oh, my big tail feathers are my pride and joy.
Wow! Amazing! Add some beautiful eye spots.
Aha! They make me look even more special.
What do you like to eat?
I love to eat yummy fruits, seeds, and sometimes even bugs.
Ho-ho! Let's draw a background. Start with a green grass field. Add some colorful flowers.
Wow, it looks like a garden.
And to finish, let's draw some fluffy clouds in the sky.
It's a perfect day for dance.
Draw the lines darker to make the peacock stand out. Now, let's color our peacock. Peacock blue color. Where do you live?
I love forests and open fields.
Rainbow color tail feathers.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo.
Violet. Remember, peacocks are beautiful and interesting birds. Let's protect their homes in the forests.
Aha!
Blue color clouds.
Pink. Wow!
And there we have it, a beautiful peacock.
Thank you for drawing me. Shine always, you kids.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!